Are you a Gavin and Stacey superfan? Well, get ready for a thrilling adventure. You can now live like your favorite characters for a mere £18 per person. Last Christmas, the highly anticipated Gavin and Stacey special graced our screens, and now fans have another reason to celebrate. Instead of merely admiring the iconic filming locations from afar, you have the chance to immerse yourself in the heart of the action by staying in the actual house on Trinity Street. Imagine stepping into the world of your beloved characters. This house, affectionately known as Lush House, was featured as Dora's home in the original series and the recent finale. It's now available for rent through Sykes Cottages, offering a unique experience for fans. The house is fully equipped with everything you need for a comfortable stay. Cook up a storm in the kitchen, just like Gwen, or relax in the cozy lounge with its vibrant orange chairs and squishy sofa, perfect for curling up in front of the fireplace. But here's where it gets exciting. The lounge seamlessly flows into the dining area, creating an open-plan space ideal for family dinners or even a fun curry night. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, one with a double bed and another with twin beds and a bunk, accommodating up to 5 guests. And during the summer, you can enjoy the beautiful weather on the deck in the garden. But the adventure doesn't end there. Berry Island is a treasure trove of Gavin and Stacey locations. You can spend time at Whitmore Bay, try your luck at the arcade, or enjoy a coffee at Marco's Cafe. And for the kids, Berry Island Pleasure Park is a must-visit with its giant wheel, log flume, and ghost train. For a true fan experience, visit the Tadross Hotel, which doubles as Uncle Bryn's local, the Dolphin. Enjoy live music, a game of pool, and catch football matches on the screens while sipping your favorite drink. Explore the charming town center of Berry with its independent shops, cafes, and the vibrant Goodsheds urban market. Goodsheds, a new development on an old dockyard, offers a unique blend of street food, bars, and even more independent shops. And if you're looking for a peaceful retreat, Porthcurry Country Park is nearby, boasting 220 acres of woodland and meadowland, crossed by a magnificent Victorian viaduct. It's the perfect spot for a family picnic or some outdoor fun. But wait, there's more. The Sun recently interviewed the real owners of the Berry Cafe featured in the show, offering a fascinating behind-the-scenes glimpse. And if you're planning a UK holiday, there's plenty to explore with family attractions catering to all types of British weather. So, are you ready to create your own Gavin and Stacey memories? This unique experience is sure to spark excitement and perhaps some friendly debates among fans. What's your favorite Gavin and Stacey location? Share your thoughts and let the conversation begin.